Hello friends! In a bowl, crack 1 egg. Add 3 tablespoons of sugar, 6 grams of yeast. Pour in 1 cup or 240 milliliters of warm milk. Mix everything well with a spoon until smooth. Make sure the milk is warm, not hot, about body temperature, so it activates the yeast without killing it. Now add 60 milliliters of olive oil. Place a sieve over the bowl and sift in 3 1/4 cups, or 405 grams of flour. Do this in 2 stages, half at a time, to keep the flour light and airy. Sifting this way also helps it spread evenly, which makes the dough rise more beautifully. If you haven't subscribed yet, I'd be so happy for you to join our little community. Your support truly means the world to me. I always enjoy hearing where you're watching from, so let me know in the comments. What country, state, or city are you in today? I love seeing pictures of your cities, and I truly enjoy how you all connect in the comments. Now mix until a dough begins to form. At first, it will look a little rough and shaggy, but keep gathering the flour into the wet ingredients. Slowly, it will come together into a soft mass. Don't worry if it seems sticky at the beginning. That is completely normal. In just a few minutes, you'll see the dough becoming smoother and easier to handle. If you're enjoying the recipe so far, please don't forget to give this video a like. Now, grease your board or work surface with a little olive oil. If you have any questions about the recipe or need any tips, feel free to drop them in the comments. I'm always happy to help. Then take the dough out of the bowl. Begin kneading with your hands. Push, fold, and turn the dough, working it for about 8 to 10 minutes until it no longer sticks to your hands and becomes smooth and elastic. If it feels sticky, add just a teaspoon of flour. If it feels too dry, dip your fingers lightly in milk and continue kneading. Next, grease a clean bowl with olive oil, brushing it evenly across the bottom and sides. Place the dough inside. Cover with plastic wrap and let it rest for 1 hour. During this time, the dough doubles in size, becoming soft and airy. After 1 hour, remove the plastic wrap. Place the dough back on your board. Shape the dough gently into a rectangle, patting it out with your hands until it's even. Try to keep the thickness the same all over. This makes it easier to divide later. Once you have a neat rectangle, take a sharp knife or dough cutter and divide it into 8 equal pieces. Keeping the pieces the same size helps the rolls bake evenly and rise together into a beautiful batch. Now take each piece and roll it gently between your palms until it forms a smooth ball, just as I show you in the video. prepare the air fryer basket. Place parchment paper inside. Brush it with oil and spread the oil evenly with a brush. Now arrange the dough balls in the basket, leaving a little space between them so they have room to rise. Cover with plastic wrap again and let the rolls rest for 20 minutes. This second rise gives them that lovely light texture. Meanwhile, crack one egg into a small bowl and whisk it well. After the dough has rested, brush the tops of the rolls gently with the beaten egg. This will give them a golden, shiny finish when baked. Now place the basket into your air fryer. Set your air fryer to 257 degrees Fahrenheit or 125 degrees Celsius and adjust the timer for about 12 minutes. Once everything is set, press start and let the air fryer do its work. When they are done, take them out carefully. Place the warm rolls on a serving plate. Break one open, and you'll see the soft, airy crumb inside. Thank you so much for baking with me today. I hope these soft rolls bring comfort and joy to your family, just as they do to mine.